Hello, I'm Ben. This is my bike check. Starting from the top of the bike, we have got the Duo Team grips. Yep, really good. Hurt your hands after a while. We've got the Snafu C lever with the Jaguar cable, getting the bike illegal soon. Moving down, we've got the Mirraco M3 fulcrum ollie handlebars. We're only running like 7 inches, not really, they're really small. Then moving down here, we've got the mirraco black pearl frame, really light. Moving down a bit more, we've got the mirraco M3 fulcrum ollie forks, very nice. We've got the M3 complete wheel with a Alex DM22 rim on there in black. Moving down, we have got a Clat unpadded complex combo seat, really nice. We've got the logo metal pedals, getting some shadow pedals in like a month. The M3 fulcrum ollie 3-piece cranks, and the Snafu 27 tooth sprocket with a KMC ZZ10 chain. 9 tooth on the back with another complete wheel with a cassette hub with an Alex DM24 rim. We're running dirt tyre on the front, Odyssey Icon, and on the back Odyssey Icon, but with more like a street tread on it. Now I'm just going to show you the sound of the hub. Really nice, got about 5 clickers in there. Sounds really nice, real fast. Weighs about 25 pounds, and that's my bike check.